Detail engineering survey services in Kotla Mubarakpur are essential for any construction project to ensure accurate and precise measurements. These services involve conducting a thorough survey of the site, collecting data, and analyzing it to create detailed engineering plans and designs. Whether it is a residential, commercial, or industrial project, detail engineering survey services play a crucial role in the successful execution of the project. Kotla Mubarakpur, a vibrant neighborhood in Delhi, is home to various construction projects. To meet the increasing demand for detail engineering survey services in this area, Scon Design has emerged as a reliable and trusted name. Scon Design specializes in providing comprehensive surveying solutions for construction projects in Kotla Mubarakpur and the surrounding areas. Scon Design is known for its expertise in detail engineering survey services. With a team of highly skilled professionals, they offer a wide range of surveying solutions, including topographic surveys, boundary surveys, construction staking, and more. Their surveying techniques are advanced and employ state-of-the-art equipment to ensure accurate measurements and precise results. When it comes to detail engineering survey services, accuracy is of utmost importance. This is because any discrepancies or errors in measurement can lead to costly mistakes during the construction process. Scon Design understands this and ensures that their surveying services are conducted with the highest level of precision. Their team of experienced surveyors meticulously collects data, analyzes it, and creates detailed engineering plans that meet the specific requirements of each project. In addition to accuracy, Scon Design also emphasizes efficiency in their detail engineering survey services. They understand that time is of the essence in the construction industry, and any delays can have a significant impact on the project timeline and budget. Therefore, they strive to complete their surveying services within the agreed-upon time frame, without compromising on quality. Scon Design's detail engineering survey services in Kotla Mubarakpur are not limited to just data collection and analysis. They also provide valuable insights and recommendations based on their expertise and experience. This helps clients make informed decisions regarding their construction projects, ensuring optimal utilization of resources and cost-effectiveness. In conclusion, detail engineering survey services are crucial for any construction project in Kotla Mubarakpur, Delhi. Scon Design offers comprehensive and reliable surveying solutions that ensure accuracy, efficiency, and valuable insights. With their expertise in detail engineering survey services, they have become a trusted name in the industry, helping clients successfully execute their construction projects. Detail engineering survey services in Kotla Mubarakpur are essential for any construction project to ensure accuracy and precision in the design and execution process. With the rapid development and urbanization in Delhi, the need for professional survey services has become increasingly important. Scon